Understanding the phrase, born yesterday. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest English language learning video. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and commonly used English phrase, born yesterday. This phrase is not just literal but carries a special idiomatic meaning. So, let's dive in and understand what it really means and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, born yesterday, is an idiomatic expression. It's used to imply that someone is not naive or easily fooled. For example, if someone tries to deceive you with a very obvious lie, you might respond with, "Do you think I was born yesterday?" This means you are not so gullible to believe such an obvious falsehood. The exact origin of born yesterday is not clear, but it's been a part of English vernacular for quite some time. It's used in various contexts, ranging from everyday conversations to literature and movies, reflecting a skepticism towards someone's words or actions. Let's look at some examples. 1. At work, your boss tries to convince you that working extra hours won't be too hard. You might think, "Does he think I was born yesterday?" 2. In sales, a salesperson offers you a one-time deal that seems too good to be true. You could respond, "I wasn't born yesterday. I know this isn't the best deal you can offer." Using born yesterday correctly involves understanding the tone and context. It's often used in a light-hearted or sarcastic manner. Be cautious in formal settings, as it might come across as rude or too casual. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, born yesterday. Remember, it's a playful way to express that you're not naive. We hope this video has been enlightening and adds a fun phrase to your English vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.